Open bank account. Practice listening skills.
Good morning. Welcome to Diamond Bank. How are you doing today?
Good morning. I'm great, thanks.
How can I assist you today?
I'm interested in opening a new bank account. Can you help me with that?
Of course. What type of account would you like to open? A savings account or a checking account?
What's the difference?
A checking account is designed for everyday transactions, while a savings account allows your money to stay in the account and earn interest over time. We offer various account options. Could you tell me more about what you're looking for in a bank account?
I'm mainly looking for something with no monthly fees and good online banking options. I also want to apply for a credit card, which is why I need an account.
In that case, you might prefer a checking account. We offer options with no monthly fees and include online banking, mobile banking, and bill pay services. Would you like to hear more about these?
That sounds great. Is there a minimum balance requirement for the account?
Yes, there is a minimum balance requirement of $500 to avoid a monthly service charge. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes, that's fine. What do I need to bring to open the account?
You'll need to bring two forms of identification, such as driver's license and passport, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement.
Understood. How long does the account opening process usually take?
It typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete the necessary paperwork and set up your account. You'll need to fill out an application form.
No problem.
How much of a credit limit were you looking for?
I would like a $10,000 spending limit.
All right, we'll see what we can do. We may be able to offer you one of our gold cards with a $10,000 spending limit.
Wonderful. Will I earn points when I use the card?
Yes, with our gold card, you'll earn 10 reward points for every dollar spent.
Perfect.
Please fill in these forms and provide your identification, such as your passport and driver's license.
Here's my passport and driver's license. I've filled out the form. Do you need anything else?
You just need to deposit a minimum of $500 into your new checking account
Very well. Here it is.
Thank you. Your account is set up now. And your credit card will be mailed to your address within 5 to 10 business days.
Thank you for your help. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a great day too.
Cleaning out the attic.
Hey Ted, do you have any boxes you're not using?
I think so. I have to check my garage.
That would be awesome. Thanks a lot.
No problem. So, what's the occasion? Are you moving?
No, I need to clean out my attic today. It's getting full up there.
That's a big chore.
You're telling me. I swear, half the stuff up there is probably from a decade ago.
Well, if you can't remember what's up there, chances are you can live without it.
My wife said the exact same thing.
Funny, my wife gave me the same advice when I was clearing out our attic last month. It's like they're reading from the same script.
Right. It's like they have some secret club where they discuss these things. They must be talking to each other.
So, what's the plan for all the stuff you're getting rid of?
I'm thinking of having a garage sale next weekend. How about you? What did you do with your attic treasures?
I threw half of it away and donated the other half.
That's a good idea. Maybe I'll donate the things I don't need.
Sounds like a plan. But what about the garage sale?
Honestly, it's starting to sound like more work than it's worth. I'd much rather spend my weekend on the golf course.
Can't argue with that logic. Golf it is. Gary, do you need any help with the attic cleanup?
I wouldn't say no to an extra pair of hands. Thanks, Ted.
I've got some free time this afternoon.
Awesome. Let's make quick work of it then.
I really appreciate it.
No problem, Gary. We're all in this together.